nowadays different people or different parties, they do protest or demonstrate or do strike sometime. Are these sort of protests or demonstration Islamic? If not, then...
You see, it all depends upon the legality of those strikes. Some countries, in most countries in fact, some strikes are declared as legal strikes, and they are not opposed by the government as such. They may accept the demand or may not. The demands or the strikes are called legal. So any Ahmadi who is a member of the labor union or anything, he can participate in those strikes, which are legal according to the government. But if the strikes are illegal and the government declares them to be illegal, then whatever sacrifice he has to offer, he should not participate in those strikes.